Hi everybody, it's your buddy Brad here, and welcome back to another episode of Saving Fish from Drowning. I am out here today at Quarry Park in Jefferson Township, and I'm going to be fishing the Blacklick Creek right over that way someplace, and going to continue with doing the creek fishing. Going to start off this time I think with the gulp minnow, and we'll go from there. So subscribe, share, like, and stay tuned. All right, got a fish. They got a green sunfish. Calm. Come on, open up. A nice little green sunfish here. Awesome. I knew something was in that over there. Just had another bite. I think I found a little hole. I think I have another fish. We do. And it is okay. Let's take a look here. So I've actually been reading up on them. This looks like it is just a common shiner. So the creek chubs, they actually have a spot on their tail and their fin, and this guy doesn't have that. So this is more of a shiner. Now I just saw a little sunfish going by here. I don't know if it was the same. I got something else. Well, I got a crawdad. There he goes. Don't bite me, bro. He is feisty. He was a big one. There he goes. Oh, we got another fish. And it's another, if not the same, green sunfish as before. I think it's a different one. This one seems to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger than the other one. Awesome. Let's let him go. Alright, we just got ourselves another, this actually might be a bluegill. I don't think this is a green sunfish. It has a mouth like one. It could always be a mix. And stacks some stones. Look at that. Pretty cool. Nicely done, whoever did that. Nicely done. All right, I just watched that guy take it. That's kind of cool. Another green sunfish. Awesome. Okay, so I am debating, should I turn back or should I continue down here? I see a fallen tree. I don't know if you can see in the distance there. It looks like there's some clear water, but to get there I'd have to go through all of that. Not a lot of water, but a lot of rocks. But I did bring a walking stick, and it has really behooved me today. I must say, I am glad I brought it, because yeah, I'm going over a lot of treacherous stuff, and quite frankly, I don't feel like breaking my ankle again. That's something I don't recommend going out and doing. It's kind of a bummer. You know what? So, but I'm here. Might as well go see what's down this way, as long as it doesn't get too deep. All right. Okay, I have made it down here to where the tree has fallen. And I think I am glad I did. It is a little deeper here. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we can do. Well, I thought I was recording. Oops. First cast here at the fallen tree, and I got a green sunfish. Awesome. All right, caught another fish. This time, this is a bluegill. It doesn't have the big mouth like the green sunfish has. If I didn't think I would scare the fish away, I would go out and fish underneath this log, but here we are. Awesome. Just got another green sunfish. Or is this a bluegill? Yeah, green sunfish. Bluegill have a black spot at the base of their tail. Green sunfish do not. And they also have bigger mouths. That's how I can tell. Seeing a lot of fish chase after it. I'm not going to be winning any size awards today, but I'm catching fish. Well, aren't you cute? That's a nice size. Nice size green sunfish. This is probably one of the biggest. I think it's a green sunfish. And he actually has some teeth on him. Let's see. He's a little charred up, but yeah, that's a huge green sunfish. Awesome. Very nice size. All right. Just got another green sunfish. Here we got another green sunfish. This one's a nice size. Nice size. Let me get my line. Go back that way. I got my big fish. Maybe not. Wow. Nice. Nice size blue green sunfish. Wow. Let's get a look at this guy. Oh my gosh. What a big. That's a nice size fish. There he goes. That's the king of the creek right there. Awesome. And you are not the king of the creek. Okay, I'm going to... Oh, just as I say that, I got something else. All right, what do we have here? Wow, okay. So, let's see here. We have a spot on the tail. Whoa, whoa, I'm just looking. I'll let you go here in a second. He is more roundish. He does have a spot on his fin here. So this is a creek chub. Yep. Probably the biggest fish I've caught today. Look at that. Nice fish. Awesome. There he goes. Someplace. I don't know which way he went, but he's gone. All right. This looks like all right, I got another fish. Let's get a good picture of him. I don't see the black spot on his tail, so this might be a shiner. All right, so here I am heading back, and I've actually been trying to pay attention to more entryways, and I found this spot here. Looks like a place where I might be able to get up and out and on a trail. Let's see how I do here. Walking stick. Step, step, walking stick. No, no. Step, lift. Awesome. Okay. I have managed not to kill myself. So this looks like it's actually the edge of this park, because I've walked here before, so I need to remember it's a lot easier to get into this spot by going through the trails than going through the creek. Okay everybody, it's Brad here, and that will do it for this episode of Saving Fish from Drowning. I had a blast going all the way through that creek, but I gotta tell you, it's a lot easier coming back on the trail than going through all the rocks and stones and all that stuff. But still had a good time, and caught a lot of fish. Some of them, a couple of them were pretty decent size, at least to me. But haven't really caught too many fish in the creek, so of course they would be good for me. So anyway, get out there, save a fish from drowning, and have a great day. Till next time, bye. I present to you Moment of Zen.